So this is question number 14.1 of Semiconductor class 12th, and we are going to solve this. In this question we have, in an n-type n-type silicon, which of the following statement is true? Okay, so electrons are majority carriers and trivalent atom are the dopants. So first of all, let me write that what are this n-type and p-type, right? So n-type and p-type. In n-type, what we have is majority is your electrons, right? So obviously minority is the holes, and in this we do doping from using that pentavalent atoms, right? So that have 5 valency. And in p-type, this is opposite. So majority is your holes and the doping is done by trivalent, right? So these are the basic difference. So now you can see easily that which option is true or which option is false. So in n-type silicon, electrons are majority carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopants. Wrong. Electrons here is the majority carrier, that is right, but the trivalent atom is not used for doping. Electrons are minority carriers and pentavalent atoms are the dopant. No, electrons are not minority carriers here, it is majority. So it is also wrong. Holes are minority carriers and pentavalent atom are the dopants. Yes, holes are the minority carrier because electrons are the majority carriers, right? This is right. And pentavalent atoms are dopant. Yes, right. Pentavalent atoms are dopants, and that gives the extra electron for this making the electron majority, right? So this is true. Holes are majority carriers and trivalent atoms are the dopant. This is wrong, right? So this option is also wrong. So C option is the correct option here in 14.1. So you have to basically know this difference, that n-type is majority is electrons and doping is done by pentavalent having 5 valency, and in p-type majority is holes and the doping is done by trivalent atoms, right? So this is the basic difference.